Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're covering Cup of Azathoth. I have no idea what Cup of Azathoth, what Azathoth is. So let's look it up. Azathoth. I'm gonna resume. Let's just look up Azathoth. So Azathoth is a Lovecraftian tale, and let's do Lovecraft. Azathoth, Lovecraft. The nuclear chaos, or the blind idiot god, is the supreme mindless deity at the center of the Cthulhu mythos, an unknown creator whose dreams form all reality. It's a formless, tentacled mass constantly surrounded by mindless dancers and lulled by demonic flutes, with existence ending if it ever wakes, embodying ultimate cosmic horror. So, that is Azathoth. It is Lovecraftian, basically, is what it's telling me. There we go. Azathoth. And by the way, with the whole Cthulhu thing, oh yes, we will say Cthulhu. We will see Cthulhu twice. Ow, that's my knee. Heat and madness explode behind my eyes, shattering, expanding, consuming. Sound and light and chaos roar through me, spiraling outward, unmaking sense. No beginning, no end. I am becoming and unbecoming, all at once. Okay. So, this is... Okay. According to the spreadsheet, it is called a Shoggoth Maiden. I have no idea what Shoggoth means, so don't ask me. But yeah, I'm pretty sure Shoggoth, I think that's referring to those dancers, I think. So I honestly have no clue. I never read Lovecraftian tales, but I do know about Cthulhu. And especially, what's the movie? Underwater is based on Lovecraftian tales, I believe. I think it's based on the tale of Cthulhu, but yeah, that's the long play of Cup of Azathoth. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye. Yes, I'm still here. It's boring, let me give you something, okay? No, I just wanted to see your mouth, bitch. Oh, I just realized. There is an eye in her chest. Right between her titties. What the fuck? She talks so nonchalantly. But what the fuck?